What is good with y'all? Y'all know who it is and you know what we're about to do. This is the AI inspiration part 2. So basically I'm just going to be going in here and trying to find some AI inspiration, and we're going to see if we can possibly cook it up. If you haven't seen the first one, go back and check that one out and let me know if y'all prefer it with or without the face cam. But other than that, let's get into it. So I want to do a bucket hat, and I want to do it with either horns or ears. So I guess let's just start there. All right, so right here, this is the first one. We got bucket hat, ears, red, exposed surge edges. And I threw that last one in just to see what they'll give me for real. And I really don't know how close I am to hitting my 25, so let's just hit a few in and see. Hopefully they don't stop me. Exposed, wow, exposed is banned. That's crazy. Okay, hold on. That's crazy. They said exposed? What do you mean exposed, sir? Let's take that out. I don't want any red flags to go off. Now we wait. Let me go ahead and add this 4K and reel in, because I don't even know what they're about to give me right now. I played myself. That's crazy. What the dog doing? What the dog got to do with anything? I said bucket hat, ear, I guess ears. But really though, really what the dog doing? Let's try horns. Alright, let's try this one. Hopefully they don't mess around with me. Oh my god. What? But he said Snoop Dogg, Russian man, fishing rod, glasses, river, whatever that means, straw hat. He got devious. He cooked up a little wise old man. What is he finna go do with this? Damn, they're doing me dirty today. They don't even want to sin. There we go. Alright, let's see what they do. Okay, the shape of these horns are interesting though. Cause when I do horns, I guess I make it go out, cause I know that way it'll stand up. Hold on, he had a variation. He had a variation. But damn, where'd it go? Yeah, I really like how the shape of this one is. I don't know why I'm vibing with that one so hard. But whenever I usually do my horns, I make them go more out like this rather than up. But I like the up vibe more. Yeah, I'm gonna snip this one. Let's see. Alright, let's do edgy. Let's do Greg Loren, because he has some pretty edgy clothes and I want to make an edgy one. Let's do red plus ears. Oh, I forgot. Alright, let's see what it do. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of like the silhouette of this one, like how it fits around her head, but it looks cartoonishly large. That would be fun. And they kind of caught the Greg Loren vibe down here with the patches, but I don't think I wanted to do like necessarily patchwork. This one's crazy as well though, how it's like the creases. I don't know though. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not really vibing with this one that much enough to snip it, so let's just try to get another one. And it's like they forgot ears. Like y'all just neglected ears. They're not vibing with me today, but that's cool because I'm gonna make it work. I know exactly how to make this thingy work. Yeah. Not even 4K. Let's do. Y'all better not do me dirty. Get me right now. Come on. I can't let the people down. I gotta bring them some never before seen drip. Oh my god. Bro, what's up with the ear? Like, y'all just don't want the ears? Will y'all not give me the ears attached? Oh, hold on, a little piece of wholesome content. Cute bunny swimming in the ocean, Pixar style. I can vibe with this. But what's kind of spooky is like all these bunnies look somewhat different, but I can't put my finger on it. Like, I'm not talking about the grass, but the actual bunnies looked different. I don't know, man. AI some spooky stuff. Either way, let's get into it. Why do they disrespect me like this? I guess when I type Y2K, they just thought I meant young, trendy. But this is they really disrespected me. This actually looks tacky. I'm angry right now. Let me try something else. Yo, this is spooky. This is spooky. Real life stock image of a bank employee interacting with the client, shot with a Sony Alpha. Like, what? What? Hold on, let me see something. Let me see something. Let me see something, because that is spooky and it looks too real. Like, Buddy put the exact camera he wanted in the settings down to the ISO, the shutter speed, all that. So I guess I'm gonna just slide my bucket hat with the horn. So let's see what it does me. I got the free one. He must got some paid one or something. I don't know. They might not even let me do it, but I hope they do. Buddy cracked the codes, low key. Cause I'm sitting here type 8K fully detailed and getting stuff like this. Buddy got the camera. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have put real life. Maybe I should have put like hyper realistic or something. They did me dastardly. They did me so bad, bro. What is this? This looks like a garbage can. This looks like a lamp. This looks like an upside down fabric garbage can. Why are they doing me like this? So you see, this is how Midjourney does me.
Now listen, that's called my bars. You know nothing about that.
Let me stop. Bro, no cap. If they don't give me another good one, I might just have to freestyle it, bro. I don't even care. I might have to clickbait y'all. So let's hope, y'all better hope they give me this one. I'm sorry that y'all have to see me type that in, but that's the only way it really works, bro. I have to. I'm sorry. This has to be the one, bro. If not, I'ma ask ChatGPT how to give me better Midjourney results. Goddamn. We're going full robot. I'm not even trying to use my brain, bro. Okay, actually, I can vibe out with this. This is the one. This is the one I'm cooking right here. One of these two. It's gonna be extra tall for no reason. It's gonna be spooky shaped. It's one of these two. Hold on. Oh yeah, these are the ones. The armor would be crazy, but that's not the vibe I'm trying to go for. I might mix like a little of this one and a little of this one. I don't know. Let me snip it. Let me snip it. Let me snip it. All right, let me throw these up in Photoshop real quick, and we'll sort of mix and match and see what I'll end up with. I guess they gave me what I asked for, but they really did not give me what I want, if we're being honest. But I'm gonna make this one work for y'all. These horns are giving me the most emotion right now. Those are the ones we're gonna rock with. Let me rasterize both of these. Off rip, I'm gonna erase the things I just don't want to even look at anymore on my screen. Like, it's like, why are you even here? An AI created you, really? That's crazy. I thought I was gonna be impressed. And low-key, I don't even know why I said I like this one. This looks corny. But off rip, it's either these are the two horns I like the most. I like these also because I'm a Taurus and it's giving bull. I don't know. I wanted to just cook it up right here, right now, but I guess let's go think and sketch. I'll catch y'all in a second. Okay, so look, basically, I don't have time for a sketch. Cut out the pieces. I'm about to sew them up for y'all. I think I know what I want to do. I've looked at the pictures enough times to where I know the idea. I'm going to go for it. I altered the horns a little bit, and I'm going to try something with this mesh. So let's get into it. Alright, twin, I ain't gonna lie, this sew up session was everything but organized, but that's just me sewing the side panels and sewing the side panels to the top circle. After I did that, I sewed up my little tapered brim and sewed the brim to the top. Made sure it fit, and I started sewing up my horns. Do the horns just like the pillows. Sew them up, flip them up, stuff them up. You already know the deal. So those bad Larry's on. So this clip, I was just explaining how I sewed the horns on and they kind of looked wonky. And also my inside bucket did not fit. It was way too tight. So I just took the bottom brim and then sewed that onto the top brim. Didn't even worry about the inside, but don't tell nobody that. I fixed it up. It looks a lot better than it was. It's still asymmetrical, but it's in a way where I want it. All I gotta do now is get those glamour shots. So let me eat up and I guess I'll get y'all those. I just recorded this clip, but my audio is not working. So let's do it again. Here we go. Here's the final reveal of the hat. It's looking very spicy. It's looking very unnecessary from keeping it real with y'all, but I just wanted to make one. And low key, I prefer that it's asymmetrical because like whenever you look straight on, it gives it something like, I don't know, it gives it some detail, some depth. Like it's more 3D, it's more interesting rather than if they were pointing straight up. You know what I mean? Like it's vibes. Look at it. That's spicy. If they were straight up, it wouldn't give the same emotion, if you know what I mean. It wouldn't have the same tension to it. That was my little half-ass attempt at some acting. I don't know what I'm doing anymore, bro. This is the end of the video. I don't know. I apologize. This one was so hectic. Let me wrap it up, bro. Y'all ever seen those TikToks where they're like, in the video when you cringe? All right, man. Remember the past, because that's what made you the person you are today.